second time, my friends. Today, me and my friend Toshe, you know Toshe, will be get some presentation about bicycles. I will speak on Macedonian, Toshe will speak on English. That's why we will be fast. If I speak on English, we'll be finished until minute. Значи, да ви посакам да дојде, денес имаме работилница за да го избереме вистинскиот велосипед и ќе тоа ќе зборуваме како да си најдете совршен велосипед, како ќе ви го подобри здравието и како ќе ви заштити.
Giving you a warm welcome. Today we're going to have a workshop concerning bicycles, more precisely how to choose the perfect bicycle to suit your needs and how riding a bicycle will improve your health and save you money along the way.
Исто така ќе зборуваме за како велосипедот ќе ви заштеди пари за такси, за бензин и како ќе ви помогне да го чувате годината.
We will speak on topics such as how riding bicycles saves money, firstly by eliminating the cost of gas, and also how riding bicycles is very good for the environment, eliminating pollution.
Okay. It's readable, yes. Ние ќе почнеме направо како не се купуваме велосипед.
First we will speak on how not to choose a bicycle.
Значи на слайдот има неколку реченици, како например, кога купувате велосипед, каква боја има, ефтине, се заврши работа, точно ви кажа дека е супер почеток ќе го купувате. Така.
On the slide there are some common phrases and things that you might consider when riding a bicycle that you consider to be faulty. For example, I like the color, I like how it looks, it's cheap, it will get the job done, I don't need to think about it too much. My friend told me it's good, I don't need to check it.
Највеќе купуваме работи, вклучувајќи велосипед, само затоа што изгледаат убаво. Например, сте видели добар велосипед на Инстаграм и може би е на попуст и може би некој ви кажал дека исто така е добар и одите го купувате без да размислите што давате пари.
Not just bicycles, but in general, when we buy things, we base our decision on surface level things, how it looks, the general consensus of our friends, we saw it online, we go to school, and we don't go deeper than that. We don't investigate what we're going to use the bicycle for, what its weaknesses, and so on.
Денес ќе учиме или ќе пробаме да научиме како да не продате пари за работа.
Today we are going to attempt to teach you how to buy a bicycle without wasting money and how to make the right decision for you.
Сега ќе ви поставам неколку прашања. Не мора да одговарате, може да се одговорите сами на себе.
I will ask you some questions. You don't need to answer them well. You can answer them for yourself.
Првото прашање е кога последен пат сте возели велосипед?
When was the last time you rode a bicycle?
Tell us.
Maybe
Tell us the last
1 week ago.
1 week.
Ride?
Yes.
1 week ago.
10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Same. With the wheels, children wheels. For you, right? Okay.
Второ прашање е зашто го користите најавите велосипед?
Second question, what do you use your bicycle for? What is its main purpose?
For everything, okay.
To go to university.
To go to university.
To school?
I try to
travel around the
I used bike to go to work 1 year ago. Then
did somebody use bicycle to lose weight?
to?
To lose weight?
Maybe. How we don't feel?
How you feel?
Don't understand.
Great.
We don't.
Okay, thank you.
Lose weight.